Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel that is Techaruna, and I hope all of you know about that. I'm running a series on Canva tutorial. In today's episode, we are going to see how to convert a photograph into a digital art. So, without wasting much time, let us move to the Canva platform, log in, and take out a blank template. After taking out a blank template, choose any image which you want to convert into a digital art. So here I am with a image. Now I'm going to set this image as background. So done. Now go to elements and type blob. Any blobs will do. So you can see here so many blobs are coming up. Just choose any design you want. You can choose anything and then you can resize it and you can place wherever you want it, and you can duplicate it also, and then choose any other, some other design. Come on, here we go. And you can place it anywhere you want. You can duplicate also. Done. I can actually reduce the size of it. We can add on more of this kind of blobs and place it as and where you want to fix it. And choosing more designs, reducing the size and placing it somewhere in between and duplicating it once again. I am choosing something else here, again reducing the size and placing it somewhere here. Duplicate it again, do it. If it is not necessary, you don't have to duplicate it. If you want it, you can go for it. Again, I have placed another design here, and again I'm duplicating it and placing it wherever I want. Let us see, some magical recommendations are there. I can use that also. So almost it is done. As much or as many you want, you can place it to make this a wonderful digital art. So we have done it here. Now what I will do is I will duplicate this page. I'm going to duplicate this page. I'm coming to the second page and I'm just going to select all those blobs created, and I am actually going to remove the background image. Done. Now you need to change the color of the background. Actually here we can change the color of the blob, whichever color you want to do it, right? I'm going to change all. Okay, and then I'm choosing this. Again I'm changing to pink color. Done. And choosing this also. We want to do it the similar color. Okay, so we are doing it for everything. Again an yellow color is here. I'm going to change that also. Change all. Done. Now one purple is left out. Done. Change all and done. We are done with our change of color. Now we are going to place it in the center as I said before. Now we need the background to be set up in the same color which we have changed it. Okay. After changing the color of every blob, you need to take a rectangle shape. So type here rectangle and then you will get a rectangle shape. Just cover it with your, all this blobs should be covered inside this rectangle, and send this rectangle behind. Layer, send to back. So everything is here. Now we have to change the background of this rectangle to white color. Now the whole image background should be changed to pink color. So this is exactly what we wanted. Got it? Now you can go down. You can actually download this as a PNG. So I am downloading the second page only. We don't require all the pages to be downloaded. Choose the second page, download it, done. You're getting a proper downloaded image. Now we are supposed to move to the first page and choose all the blobs which we created and just click delete. Delete everything. Done. Now go to uploads. Go for uploads. We are going to upload the file which we right now downloaded. I think now it is downloaded. Now, as I said before, we have to go to the first image and delete all the blobs created and upload the downloaded file. Yes, we got it. Now you can go and upload it and you can use it here. Simple. Go to edit image and remove the background option. Use remove the background option. Now you've got the actually how you want to get your digital art done. You can enlarge it and you can again enlarge it so that you can fix it on the baby. You can enlarge it and fix it. Right. Now, if you want to still upscale the image of the photograph, you can go to edit image, go to image upscaler, we'll go to image upscaler, 4x. This option chosen is 4x, upscale the image. Now it is upscaling. Go and replace it. So now it is actually properly done. Now the baby is eating the ice cream. So we can, like as it is a digital art, we can always add text. Cool, cool summer. Anything whichever you want, you can add for promoting your product or anything. You can again go to, you can change the font style. So you can again enlarge it what you want. And you can always change the color of the font. Done. Again, if you want to change the color frames, you can always go to duotone and you can check out every color. You can always go for the check of the intensity to dark and light. You can choose as many options available. Anything, whichever you want, you can use it. So this is how we can convert a photograph into a digital art. So I hope this was beneficial to you. If so, click the button like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, do comment in the comment box. And thank you for watching. Thank you.